Hello sir and ma'am, my name is Keshav Rangana. I am 33 years old. I am from Simla, Nepal. I am married. My height is 5.8 inch and weight 57 kg. I have a 10 class pass. Then I start Nandan Oil Company Simara. I work 5 years warehouse work experience. I am mentally and physically fit.